Introducing yourself for the first time is very important. How do you introduce yourself in Japanese language? Based on Minna no Nihongo textbook, let's learn some basic phrases to make a first good impression when meeting someone. Ohayo gozaimasu, Stephen desu. Hey, what's up you guys? Stephen here with Nihongo House. Today is Miller's first day on the job. Mr. Yamada introduced him to his co-worker, Miss Sato. How do they say? Let's watch.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Sato-san, こちらはマイクミラさんです。はじめまして、マイクミラです。アメリカから来ました。どうぞよろしく。
はじめまして、佐藤です。どうぞよろしく。おはようございます。
おはようございます。佐藤さん、こちらはマイクミラさんです。はじめまして、マイクミラです。アメリカから来ました。どうぞよろしく。
はじめまして、佐藤です。どうぞよろしく。
Now let's take a look at the new words and new phrases. First we have 私 I あなた You Sensei Teacher Instructor 学生 Student 医者 Medical Doctor 会社員 Company Employee 大学 University 病院 Hospital. Here are some basic phrases which you can use in daily conversation. Do you remember how Mr. Mueller said when he met Miss Sato? First we have Hajimemashite. How do you do? This phrase is usually used as the first phrase when you meet someone for the first time. Next we have Maikimira desu. It's very easy to introduce your name. You just say your name plus desu. Next we have America kara kimashita. I come from America. So, if you come from Italy, how do you say? The word Italy in Japanese is Italia. Italia kara kimashita. To learn more vocabulary of country, please check out the link below in the description. The last phrase when he introduced himself is Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Please be nice to me. It's a pleasure to meet you. This phrase is usually used at the end of the self-introduction. So now, it's your turn. If you want to introduce your name, your country, how do you say? Perfect. はじめまして。私は your name です。Your country から来ました。どうぞよろしくお願いします。Now you can introduce yourself in Japanese language. Now let's move on to the grammar section. The first grammar pattern is N1 wa N2 des or N1 is N2. You can use this sentence pattern to say many different things such as name, age, or occupation. Let's break it down. N1 is both the topic and the subject of a sentence. N1 is a noun such as a person, place, animal, or object. Followed by what. What is the topic marking particle? It shows the topic and gives a statement of the topic. Followed by N2. N2 could be your name, your occupation, your nationality, your age, or anything else that you could identify or describe someone with. Followed by des. Des is called the copular. It is the equivalent to the English verb to be that is used for a positive sentence. In Japanese language, the subject and wa usually are dropped if we know the topic is about. In the conversation, Mueller don't say Watashi wa Maikimira desu, but he say Maikimira desu because we all know we are talking about him. So that is a positive sentence. How to change into negative sentences? It's very easy. You just add ta arimasen or dewa arimasen to the end of the sentence. We have a new button for negative sentences. N1 wa N2 ta arimasen or dewa arimasen. The difference between ta arimasen and dewa arimasen is that ta arimasen is used for daily conversation and dewa arimasen is used for formal speech or writing. For example, watashi wa yakusei ta arimasen. English translation is I am not student. Asking question in Japanese is very easy. You only need to add ka to the end of the sentence to make it into a question. N1 wa N2 desu ka? N1 wa ta arimasen ka? For example, Anata wa yakusei desu ka? English translation, are you student? Tanaka-san wa isha ta arimasen ka? English translation, is Mr. Tanaka not a doctor? So that's all for today's lesson. To listen how Japanese people introduce themselves in Japanese language, please click here. To do more exercise and learn new words, please check out the link below. Thank you so much for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, Nihongo House. If you know someone who is interested in Japanese language, please share this video with them. Next time, Nihongo House will help you to ask what something is. That's all for today. Ta mata.
おはようございます。
おはようございます。佐藤さん、こちらはマイクミラさんです。はじめまして、マイクミラです。アメリカから来ました。どうぞよろしく。
はじめまして、佐藤です。どうぞよろしく。